Hello friends, okay. Hello friends, good evening. This is Shubhra Rani and welcome to Shubh Chintak's learning community, and we are connecting on 8th of April 2024 around 7:25 p.m. And the agenda today is discussing the ready to use Canva templates for your next LinkedIn post. And for that, we have Shreya Pandey to walk you through those ready to use Canva templates. I hope you are ready also. So
Okay.
without much further ado, let's go to Shreya Pandey right away. Thank you so very much, and over to you, Shreya.
Okay. So, hi guys, my name is Shreya Pandey, and I'm sharing some ready to use templates for LinkedIn or wherever you would want to post it from Canva. Canva is a really easy, beginner friendly graphic designing tool. Anyone can use it. It's very easy drag and drop website. So, I'm sharing my screen. You can get those template from the description down. Link will be provided. Okay. So, here we go. Yeah. I'm sharing my screen.
Can you keep your mics this close, Shreya?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
So that the voice does not get broken in the middle. Right.
Okay. This is a sheet we'll be providing you in the description. Here I have static post ideas, carousels, and memes, and Twitter feed thread posts. Okay. So we'll go through Canva's first static post that we have created for you and redirecting. It's redirecting. Okay. Hmm. So this is our first static post we're gonna provide. You can see here, it's a photo, and over it we have given a blur gradient. It's on view only mode. You can just make it a copy and paste your own stuff. We have written a caption, small caption with the brand colors that you have chosen from, personal branding like your title, and the read caption that you are telling people that you have to read the caption. This is the first template that we have, and we are going to the next one. Uh, hmm.
So
So
just to continue and reiterate, you have to make a copy of this Google Sheet and then start using these ready to use Canva templates. Yeah, Shreya, continue.
this is our second Canva static post template that you can use for your LinkedIn or Instagram, wherever do you want to put it for, want to post it. So here we have the content on the left side. We have used two different types of fonts. Like this is the other font. Like every the topic that you are trying to ask, write on the write down on, and the other two, whatever you want to write here. And the photo, it's here. This is background removed. If you are not a pro version person, so you can't do it. Like if you don't have pro, but you can just remove it and you can paste your photo here. Okay, this is our second. Then we have our third static post. You can go through all the posts, contents, templates we have given and choose for yourself. This is the third caption post in which you'll have your photo back there and small caption that you'll want to write so that people get an idea like what is going to be there in the caption that you have provided in the like the matter you have written. Okay. These were our three static posts. Then we go to carousels.
Yeah, just in between,
Uh,
the one-liner caption, right? So
mm,
whatever the content you have written as or thought as for a LinkedIn post, you can have a one liner max of 6 to 7 words. Don't go beyond that
mm,
because it is not that visual visual friendly look. Don't go beyond 7 words. This is my suggestion.
mm.
Like the last template, can you move to the last template which you showed? Yes.
Yes.
So girl boss officially added to Webster dictionary. How many words? One, two, three, four, five,
Five,
six, seven.
six.
Maximum of 7 words. So in the LinkedIn post, we were discussing the fact that okay, the new word in the Webster dictionary is girl boss.
Mm,
Okay, so you can pick up the most important point of the LinkedIn post being discussed or you are thinking to make. and put it there, or you can put a question there also, you can
Mhm.
put a negative hook also.
Yeah.
Okay, so like you can put a negative look. Is it too late to start building content on LinkedIn, question mark. So it is a negative hook. So
Mhm.
negative hooks attract people more. Okay, so try to come up with very creative one liner so that people get an interest to read through your LinkedIn post after watching your this picture post, this
Yeah.
picture one liner static post.
Mhm.
Okay, got
Okay.
it guys. Very good, Shreya. And let's move on to carousel.
Carousels. Yeah. This is the first carousels we have for you guys template.
Yeah.
It's
Can you
redirecting.
be a bit louder, Shreya, and
Yeah.
keep your mic this close? Yeah.
Mhm. This is the carousel post template we have here. Uh, Shub, we have a problem here. I always use this background removed one.
Okay.
So people who do not have the pro version will get a bit of a problem here.
Okay. So what is the solution
The
instead?
solution is you can take your picture, upload it on remove.bg. It's a website,
Okay. Great. Great.
remove.bg, and you can remove the background of your picture and you can just upload it on Canva from here and you can use it there.
Great.
Like,
Great.
made
So
sense?
yeah. So friends, the alternate is remove.bg platform where you can remove the background of your post.
Mhm.
In Canva Pro version, it is already the feature you can use, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Continue,
This
Shreya.
this is the carousel we have. Like a picture of of yours, you can add here a small seek through what is going to be there and little of the content that you have prepared for yourself.
Yeah.
It's a it's just a template. You can use it whatever like you want to use, like
I want
whatever
to
way.
add something. If you have to discuss five things you need to do or
Mm,
three things you need to do for that kind of those kind of posts, this kind of carousel post will go.
go.
Okay, so five mm, you are making five mistakes you are making in Google ads, right, for e-commerce, like that, like
Yeah.
any kind of topic like that, you can use this template with your brand colors. My brand colors are black and yellow,
Mm,
white, and sometimes red. So
mm,
you can choose your brand colors. Okay, for I was going through LinkedIn posts of Jaspreet, so he has a mix of gray and pink, so you can choose yours.
your
It's
brand
just
colors.
a template
Mm,
to get you started, because people are struggling to start making content on LinkedIn just because they are not very good in designing. So
yeah.
we are providing you with the ready to use Canva
Template
template.
for
Okay,
business.
this
Yeah.
is the idea.
Mm.
Continue, Shreya.
This
Hmm.
is our second carousel post that we have here.
Hmm. Shreya, please keep your mic disclosed. Yeah. Yeah.
So we have here, and it's coming. Yeah. Something about copywriting we have given here. You can use an image here, like you can
Hmm.
see, an image is added, a caption is added, a title is added, a tagline we have here, so that it keeps the people who are reading it hooked. So you can use it also. Like it has so many images and
And
diff-
analysis also. Yeah.
analysis, yeah. So all these things, and we
Yeah.
come to the third one, which is our feedback.
Yeah,
Like
just
if you
just
are
to
work,
add just to add
yeah.
something. Can you go back to that habit wala? Yeah. So where where you can use this kind of template. So
Mm,
if you want to explain something with pictures, for example, you have created results around, like you have a case study to show, right?
mm,
You have different stages. You have screenshots of different stages. So you can use this template where you have to add a picture or a screenshot and you have to explain things.
mm.
In this situation you can use this template.
This template, yes.
Yes.
Mm.
Okay. Yeah.
So we are here for the third one. If you are a working professional who provides services, then you can use our feedback template in which you will be sharing the feedback that you got from your customers or the clients by hiding their name because privacy concerns, you know. So this is our feedback template where you can just add the screenshot. And we are done with the carousels that we have for you. Now we'll go to memes. Memes are very trendy. They trend all the time. And we have created some static memes template for you. There we go. It's redirecting. You have to always make a copy for yourself. You can't edit here only after just opening a template. You have to just make a copy. You can make a copy by going back to your Canva. You'll get this template. You have to click on make a copy. Okay. I have collated some memes from the Canva templates itself. We have here static memes. You can see you can just upload your pictures or the trending memes that are going on. Write your caption, write your name here, like at the rate me, like we have Shubhra can write at the rate Shubhra Rani, or hustle with Shubhra Rani. And or Shreya can write like I have a friend who borrowed the pencil and blah blah blah, whatever you want to. I have collated 5 to 6 starting meme posts for you. Now we go to the video meme.
Hmm.
This is a template where we have static post and video posts as well. Here you can see it's Virat Kohli here. Me as a content developer always want special hubs from designers, video editors. Like you can see a video is
Yes,
playing
you can
on
play
here.
the video, Shreya, so that
Yeah.
people get to know. So in this video, people
Mm,
are hugging Virat Kohli. So I
mm,
have taken this video as a reference to create a meme that okay, I as a content developer also want hug from graphic designer, video editor, clients like this.
yeah.
So
You can.
this is a video meme. This
Mm,
also works good.
mm. Like this also is a very good meme here we have here. When you are sorted with your work before the deadlines, you can enjoy what's happening
Uh, who is painting here? Someone's yeah, yeah, okay.
when you have sorted your work before the deadline and can enjoy the weekend. Miracle, miracle. Like we
So
have this
you will
also.
get the gifs and videos from anywhere on the internet and you can put it here. Okay.
You have to search for the memes that are trending. You can download it from anywhere and you
Hmm.
can use it here. And now we are done with the meme part. We are going to the Twitter thread that we have. So in this only, I have collected 5 to 6 Instagram and Twitter threads that we can use to post directly to our Instagram or LinkedIn, whatever you guys want. So here we have this. So here, like Shubhra, it is it is a post that Shubhra shared one day. So we have Shubhra Rani written here, her handle, and something that she wants to say. You can use this also. It's from the Canva templates only, and these things like small captions that you want to write and post. You can use it from here, like Instagram, like that what do we say that feed posts that we have on
Feed post.
Instagram.
Yeah. Yeah.
You can
So,
use it from here.
so
These
guys,
are
yeah.
more than these are more than 10. I can say that. So we
Hmm.
have collected for you. And over to you, Shubhra. You want to add something?
Yes,
Please.
yes. Go to the last Twitter and thread now.
Yeah.
If you are posting on LinkedIn,
Mm,
you can go with the first one because
mm,
on LinkedIn you can't use because on LinkedIn the Twitter post is more trendy.
mm,
Okay, rather than Instagram. So go with the
mm,
first one, and on Instagram you can use these the rest ones.
mm.
So guys, thank you so very much. I hope you gained some value and you gained that kick to at least start creating content on LinkedIn because we are stuck with the design part. We are always in the thought process mode. Okay, what design, what creative to go with my LinkedIn post? We can
Mm.
write, but we don't. But
Know
we
how
are
to
stuck on
design.
creating
Yeah.
the design. So we have collated ready to use more than 10 designs, right,
More
Shreya?
than. Yeah.
More than
More
10
than.
designs. I hope you guys loved it, loved the value which we tried to create in this session. Hope to see you guys in the next video with the next agenda. Till then, keep hustling because in digital marketing you have to hustle every day, right?
Yeah.
And good day, happy hustling from Shubh Chintak's community. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so very much, guys.
When should I stop it?